Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to add music to Instagram story. Now this is quite a simple and easy process, so make sure you follow me till the end to get an idea on how you can do this. Now once you're here in your profile, let's say you want to upload a story, just click on this icon, select the video or any media that you want to put up as a story, and then this is the important part. Select this music icon here. It is inside the sticker tag. Once you have done this, you can quickly select the song or search for the song which you want to put. Let's say I select this one right here. You can click on the next arrow button and then you can select the specific part of the song that you want in your story. Once you have selected that as well, you can select the font and you can select where the lyrics goes. You can turn this off also if you want. The first option turns the lyrics off, but if you want to show the lyrics and you have selected what part of the song you want, just click on done, click on your story, and that is it. You have now successfully posted this story with that song playing in the background. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add music to your Instagram story. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.